how to cancel Kindle Unlimited subscription. So if you maybe accidentally purchase or subscribe to the trial of Kindle Unlimited, it's been charging money now, or maybe you want to cancel it yourself, there's a very simple method to do that. In order to do so, however, I would recommend you get your smartphone. We'll just leave our Kindle aside for now, and let's just get our smartphone and use your smartphone, and then you want to simply go to amazon.com. So open your browser and go to amazon.com and log into the account where you have your Kindle subscription. When you do that, tap on your profile name or the icon from the very top right hand side, and you want to keep on scrolling down. Under your account you'll find the option called see all, so make sure to just tap the see all button next to your account. Now from here you want to keep on scrolling down, and over here you'll find various options. One of those options will be the option called your membership and subscriptions, so just tap on that option. When you do that, you will see a list of subscriptions that you have, including Kindle Unlimited subscription. Just like in my case, you could see Amazon Prime subscription, you could have unlimited Kindle subscription. So you want to tap the manage button next to that subscription, and you'll find the option to cancel that particular subscription. And that way you can cancel Kindle Unlimited subscription. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.